Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make real Caesar salad. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need crisp romaine lettuce, good quality Parmesan cheese, and homemade croutons. The heart of any great Caesar is its dressing, so we'll start there. We'll combine fresh garlic, anchovy paste, and an egg yolk to build that rich, authentic flavor profile. This foundation is key to a truly delicious salad. Now, let's craft that incredible dressing. In a bowl, whisk 1 egg yolk with fresh lemon juice and a touch of Dijon mustard until well combined. Gradually, and I mean slowly, drizzle in about 1/2 cup of olive oil while continuously whisking. This creates a beautiful, creamy emulsion. Finally, stir in your finely minced garlic, anchovy paste, and a generous 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper. With our dressing ready, let's prepare the other components. Wash your romaine lettuce thoroughly and dry it completely. Excess water will dilute the dressing. Tear or chop the leaves into bite-sized pieces, ensuring every forkful is perfect. For the croutons, cube some day-old bread, toss it with olive oil, salt, and pepper, then toast until golden and crunchy. These homemade croutons add an amazing texture that store-bought simply can't match. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. In a large bowl, add your prepared romaine lettuce. Drizzle a generous amount of your homemade Caesar dressing over the greens. Toss gently but thoroughly, ensuring every leaf is beautifully coated. You want just enough dressing to cling to the lettuce without making it soggy. Finish with a sprinkle of those crispy croutons and a final flourish of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Serve immediately and enjoy your authentic Caesar salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.